Oh, it's Saturday already. Are you excited for one fun, amazing, awesome, cool craft? Well, then you're seeing the right channel. Sanjana Speaks. Well, you must have guessed what we are doing today. We are doing fun, nice unicorn craft. I'm so excited to make it. Are you? Then watch the video till the end to see how beautiful the unicorns turn out to be. Let's move on to the crafts. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet or new to my channel, subscribe now. I'm waiting for the 1,000 subscriber guys. I will give you a surprise if I get 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe. So we are going to make unicorn puppets. So for this we need 2 A4 size sheets, 3 mini color paper and some googly eyes, glue, scissors, sketch pens. Of course, a unicorn can never be without his or her magical horn. I made it by coloring the paper. You can make it with glitter paper or anything you want. And last but not least, we need some curiosity to make something really interesting. So let's get started. I'm going to make a loose cone. Next we are going to stick it with the glue. Now we are going to cut this extra part so it can stand with a child safe scissors. Okay, so our cone is ready. Let's see if it stands. Stands very perfectly. So now let's take the other A4 sheet and fold it. Draw the face. Make sure this part is not cut. Now let's cut it. So we have made a nice face that is kind of like a mask. See? Now take a pink sheet, then fold it in half. And we'll keep this on this and trace. Now cut it out. We've got 2 semicircles, what we will stick to the mouth. Stick it from outer side. Now let's draw her cute smiling face and few dots. I have taken a ear-like shape from the plain paper. Now we will put a pink small shape inside it. Let's do it on the back side too. So the ear is ready. Remember that we need only one ear because they will be seen from both sides. Let's now stick it. Let's stick the horn with some glue. Put glue on this joint and stick it to the body of the unicorn. Let's put some glue inside the mouth also. Now let's take eyes. Our unicorn is almost ready, but we need to make a beautiful hair. Take 3 mini sheets and cut them approximately till 3/4. It turned into 3 beautiful hair papers. Now let's stick them. Now our unicorn is ready. Let's play with them. These are twins. So cute. Besties forever. Ting 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 ting. Bye guys, and ring the bell notifications too. So see you later guys. See you next Saturday. Signs out your friend Sanjana Speak.